Ben Franklin once said, "Time is money. Waste it now, pay for it later." And it's true, right? Even as an individual, if you're bleeding minutes, you're bleeding dollars. But in an organization made up of many people, the effect is exponentially greater. The cumulative amount of time being wasted or lost to distraction, procrastination, or slow, unmotivated work could be eating away tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars from your bottom line. So, how can you cultivate a positive work ethic and maximize productivity in your business? Well, that's exactly what we're going to show you in this course.
The average U.S. office employee spends only 2 hours and 53 minutes on productive work daily. 85% of workers report being actively disengaged in the office, costing U.S. companies $550 billion from lost productivity. The average employee spends 13 hours a week attending to emails, which means that 28% of the work week is taken by emails alone. These statistics show that productivity is an increasingly important area that businesses should focus on. This training is going to consist of a series of critical discussion points. These are designed to cover this broad topic as thoroughly as possible, to encourage growth in these vital areas, and to facilitate a real and fruitful discussion within your organization about how you can each improve on this essential characteristic, both at work and in your personal lives in general. Some of these will be pretty lengthy, and some will be relatively straightforward and brief. At the very end of this roadmap comes the most important final step. Discussion time. Do not skip this. This is the most important part of this training. When you finish this course, you need to spend at least an hour or so going over the questions we supply at the end as a group. Whoever's the head honcho in the group should designate a facilitator whose responsibility it is that each question is covered and that everyone, time permitting, is able to have their say. Make sure all contributions are valued, all suggestions considered, and all opinions respected. So let's move into the first discussion point.